Alrighty, wasn't planning on doing this video today, but I left the house to go to the gym today. I'm trying to take off that COVID weight that I put back on, and right before I left, saw the postman walking to the parking lot, which was early, so I stopped on the way out and noticed this. So I've got this to unpack. I think I know what this is. And I also stopped at Bosco's on the way back from the gym because I missed a book, which would be Noctera number 4. Anyway. And then I got this, which I hadn't seen. But let's see what this book is. I think I know what it is. Boom. 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 Becoming a writer, staying a writer. The Artistry, Joy, and Creator of Storytelling by J Michael Straczynski. I don't know if how many of you out there know who JMS is. That's what most people call him, JMS. But he is a writer. He's most probably famous for Babylon 5. Sorry, I just need to have a little bit of a drink. And he does he did a Superman run. He did some stuff in Spider-Man. He did the Superman Earth 1 run, Sense8, and some other stuff. Really prolific. But this is a book that I ordered from Barnes & Noble. I just think the guy is a fantastic writer. And who else to get a book on writing than a writer that you really emulate? And I love his stuff. So, this is it. It says, years before J Michael Straczynski created hit shows like Babylon 5 and Sense8, or writing Academy Award nominated Changeling, he knew he wanted to be a writer. He didn't know how to start a career as a writer, and he was a long way from figuring out how to be one. And I'm guessing this is him explaining how. So I cannot wait to start reading this book. And I'm hoping it'll help me with my writing. But anyway, just wanted to do this unboxing and let you guys know that I got a prized book in my collection now. Anyway, I'm off to try and finish reading my comics for the week, and then I will get into reading this. Alright, talk to you a little later.